1. Which constitutional amendment added the 9th schedule to the Constitution? The correct answer is First Amendment. 2. Which constitutional amendment inserted Article 15(4) for advancement of socially and educationally backward classes? The correct answer is First Amendment. 3. Which amendment reorganized the states on a linguistic basis and abolished the old classification of states? The correct answer is 7th Amendment. 4. Which amendment made it explicit that Parliament can amend any part of the Constitution including fundamental rights? The correct answer is 24th Amendment. 5. Which amendment gave primacy to certain directive principles over the right to property? The correct answer is 25th Amendment. 6. Which amendment abolished the privy purses of former rulers? The correct answer is 26th Amendment. 7. Which amendment made Sikkim a full state of India? The correct answer is 36th Amendment. 8. Which amendment inserted the words socialist, secular and integrity in the preamble? The correct answer is 42nd Amendment. 9. Which amendment inserted fundamental duties into the Constitution? The correct answer is 42nd Amendment. 10. Which amendment made the President bound by the advice of the Council of Ministers? The correct answer is 42nd Amendment. 11. Which constitutional amendment is often called the mini-constitution? The correct answer is 42nd Amendment. 12. Which amendment made the right to property a legal right instead of a fundamental right? The correct answer is 44th Amendment. 13. Which amendment replaced the term internal disturbance with armed rebellion in Article 352? The correct answer is 44th Amendment. 14. Which amendment allowed the President to return the advice of the Council of Ministers once for reconsideration? The correct answer is 44th Amendment. 15. Which amendment added the 10th schedule related to anti-defection? The correct answer is 52nd Amendment. 16. Which amendment reduced the voting age from 21 years to 18 years? The correct answer is 61st Amendment. 17. Which amendment provided a legislative assembly and council of ministers for the National Capital Territory of Delhi? The correct answer is 69th Amendment. 18. Which amendment included the members of the Legislative Assemblies of Delhi and Puducherry in the Presidential Electoral College? The correct answer is 70th Amendment. 19. Which amendment added Konkani, Manipuri and Nepali to the 8th schedule? The correct answer is 71st Amendment. 20. Which amendment inserted Part 9 in the Constitution for Panchayati Raj institutions? The correct answer is 73rd Amendment. 21. The 11th schedule was added by which amendment? The correct answer is 73rd Amendment. 22. Which amendment inserted Part IXA in the Constitution for municipalities? The correct answer is 74th Amendment. 23. The 12th schedule was added by which amendment? The correct answer is 74th Amendment. 24. Which amendment placed the Tamil Nadu reservation law providing 69% reservation in the 9th schedule? The correct answer is 76th Amendment. 25. Which amendment inserted Article 16, 4A, for reservation in promotion for SCs and STs? The correct answer is 77th Amendment. 26. Which amendment inserted Article 16, 4B, for carrying forward unfilled reserved vacancies? The correct answer is 81st Amendment. 27. Which amendment enabled relaxation in qualifying marks or standards of evaluation for SCs and STs in promotion? The correct answer is 82nd Amendment. 28. Which amendment extended the freeze on delimitation of Lok Sabha and Assembly seats until the first census after 2026? The correct answer is 84th Amendment. 29. Which amendment granted consequential seniority to SC and ST employees in promotion? The correct answer is 85th Amendment. 30. Which amendment made education for children aged 6 to 14 years a fundamental right by inserting Article 21A? The correct answer is 86th Amendment. 31. Which amendment established the National Commission for Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes under Article 338? The correct answer is 65th Amendment. 32. Which amendment created a separate National Commission for Scheduled Tribes by inserting Article 338A? The correct answer is 89th Amendment. 33. Which amendment limited the size of the Council of Ministers to 15% of the strength of the lower house? The correct answer is 91st Amendment. 34. Which amendment added Bodo Dogri Mathili and Santhali to the 8th schedule? The correct answer is 92nd Amendment. 35. Which amendment inserted Article 15(5) to enable reservation in educational institutions including private unaided institutions except minority institutions? The correct answer is 93rd Amendment. 36. Which amendment dealt with cooperative societies and inserted Part X book? The correct answer is 97th Amendment. 37. Which amendment inserted Article 371J for the Hyderabad Karnataka region now known as Kalyana Karnataka? The correct answer is 98th Amendment. 38. Which amendment sought to create the National Judicial Appointments Commission? The correct answer is 99th Amendment. 39. Which amendment gave constitutional effect to the India-Bangladesh Land Boundary Agreement? The correct answer is 100th Amendment. 40. Which amendment introduced the Goods and Services Tax in India? The correct answer is 101st Amendment. 41. Which amendment gave constitutional status to the National Commission for Backward Classes? The correct answer is 102nd Amendment. 42. Which amendment provided 10% reservation for economically weaker sections? The correct answer is 103rd Amendment. 43. Which amendment extended reservation of seats for SCs and STs in the Lok Sabha and state assemblies and ended the nomination of Anglo-Indians? The correct answer is 104th Amendment. 44. Which amendment restored the power of states to identify socially and educationally backward classes? The correct answer is 105th Amendment. 45. Which amendment is known as the Nari Shakti Vandan Adhinim for reservation of seats for women in the Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies? The correct answer is 106th Amendment. 46. Which amendment inserted Articles 323A and 323B related to tribunals? The correct answer is 42nd Amendment. 47. Which amendment increased the term of the Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies from 5 years to 6 years? The correct answer is 42nd Amendment. 48. Which amendment restored the normal 5-year term of the Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies? The correct answer is 44th Amendment. 49. Which amendment protected many land reform laws from judicial review through the 9th schedule? The correct answer is First Amendment. 50. Which amendment made it a fundamental duty of parents or guardians to provide opportunities for education to children aged 6 to 14 years? The correct answer is 86th Amendment.